What if ancient financial secrets, carved on clay tablets over 4,000 years ago, could help you pay your bills and build your fortune today? That's the incredible promise of the timeless book, The Richest Man in Babylon. In this video, we'll uncover 7 ancient laws that turned shepherds into financial kings. Stay until the end. The 5th law is the one that stops 90% of people from getting rich. It all begins in Babylon, the wealthiest city of the ancient world. A city where prosperity followed rules, not luck. Arkad wasn't born rich or powerful. He was a humble scribe who discovered the secrets of wealth. And the first secret is the most powerful one. Law number 1. Start thy purse to fattening. Or as we say today, pay yourself first. For every 10 coins you earn, spend only 9, save the 10th. That portion is yours to keep, forever. Before paying rent, bills, or food, set aside 10%. This habit is the foundation of future wealth. Law number 2. Control thy expenditures. Most people increase their expenses as their income grows. That's the trap. Know the difference between needs and wants. You need shelter, but you desire a palace. Learn to live on 90% of your income without losing what truly matters. Law number 3. Make thy gold multiply. Your saved money must work for you, not sleep. Each coin you invest is a seed that can grow into a money tree. Let your money produce income that can be reinvested again. Law number 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. Protect your capital before chasing quick profits. Only invest where your capital is safe and can be recovered. Avoid those who promise unrealistic returns. Law number 5. Make thy dwelling a profitable investment. Owning your home reduces living expenses. Every payment builds your wealth, not someone else's. This becomes the solid foundation upon which all future wealth is built. Law number 6. Ensure a future income. Prepare for the days when you can no longer work. Whether through property, long-term investments, or other means, build assets that will support you and your family later. Law number 7. Increase thy ability to earn. Your greatest asset is you. Never stop learning. Improve your skills. Your personal growth defines your earning power. To summarize, pay yourself first. Control your expenses. Make your money work. Protect it. Own your home. Plan for the future. And invest in yourself. These laws may sound simple, but they are the foundation of all lasting wealth. Not magic formulas, but timeless principles requiring discipline. If you want to dive deeper into these life-changing parables, I highly recommend reading The Richest Man in Babylon. You'll find the link in the description. Which of these 7 laws will you start applying today? Share it in the comments below. If this summary was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Audible80. See you soon.